So let us draw this part drawing. So let us visualize it first. So this the outer part, just 50 plus 50 plus 60, it will be just 160, and this side 70 plus 70 plus 100, it will be 170. And here there is an arc. This arc has a depth of just 20 mm. Then here the internal part, this region, it has a height of 130 mm and thickness of just 30 mm. So these are just fillets with 10 mm radius, and the internal circle, it has just a radius of 60 mm. All dimensions are in millimeters. So let us draw this one. So the first thing what you are going to do, just my way, different people will have their own style from where they will start, but let us start from here. Let us create the external outline, the rectangle. So 50, 50, 60, which means 160. So let us draw a line ortho on. You have to on this one, just ortho on, then straight just like this, 160. Then here 240, down 160, and here 240. So this is the outline, the outer part. Then what you are going to do, just here we can find the center of this part. So to find that one, let us go here 70, 70, 240, 240 divided by 2, it will be 120. So you can just offset, go to offset and offset this part. First you have to give the offset distance, it will be 120, then offset this this line. You see this is the middle, then this one it is 160, this height is 160, so the middle will be just 80, so offset to 80 like this. So this is the middle of this rectangle. Then go to circle and use radius 60 and draw the central circle. So circle, just this is center radius, and go here and draw a radius with 60 millimeter diameter. So we created the central part of the subject. Then what you are going to do, just you can change this one into like center, and then after that let us go here. We can create this part. To create this part, it is 50 mm distance from the outer part. So what you are going to do, the same thing, offset, use offset and offset this outline to the inside with 50 mm. So go to offset, then change the offset distance with 50, and then offset this part just like this. Now it is 50. Then after 50, it has just like how much distance? It is 30 mm. Then you have to offset it again, 30 mm. This one 30 mm, just like 30. So next what we are going to do, just the same thing from the top part. From the top, as you see, it is 130. 130 means 50, 50, 160. This is 160. 160 minus 130, it will be 30. So 30 means you have to offset the outline 50 inside and 50 inside from both sides. So that means let us offset this line 50 downward, 15. So again this side also 15 inside. Then after that you can remove or trim the unwanted parts like this one and this one and you can remove this here also. We don't need this portion, so this is what we need, this part, right? This is this part we need. Then after that, you see this one radius of 10. You have to fillet the corners, the four corners, with fillet radius of 10. So go back here, go here, just fillet and choose radius from here and give 10. Enter. Then click this one and this one. Again, if you enter from the keyboard, this command will continue. And this one, and again enter from your keyboard, then this one and this one, enter again, and this one and this one. Now you created this portion. Now what you are going to do, this portion has the same thing here to the other side. So what you are going to do, you have to mirror this part. So what you are going to do, just use select tool to select the whole part. Then after that, go to mirror command, then choose the mirror center. Then it says erase source object. If you choose yes, it will erase this one. So don't choose yes. You have to go for no. Then it will keep it as it is. So next, what is left? We have to create these portions, this one, this one, this one, and the other one. So in this case, what we are going to do, just only what is given is 20 millimeter just thickness it has, or just depth. Then what you are going to do, just offset this last the outline to the outer part with 20 mm thickness. Then after that, you have to make this portion outside of this outline. So let us offset, and you have to choose offset distance. Offset distance, it is 20 is given, right? 20. Then you have to offset this outline 20 and this outline 20. Then what you are going to do, just this part is at the center, right? At the center. So let us extend the center line outside. Let us extend this one just like this, right? Then after that, what is next? This is 60. 60 means that the width of this outline is just 60. So to create that, you can just offset this center line to the other side, just 30 to the other side, 30. That means offset, then you have to offset distance, you have to use 30, then offset this one 30, offset this one 30. So this one is the outline. So what you are going to do, just you have to choose these 3 points, first, second, and third point, and join them to create the arc. So what you are going to do, start center end, or start center angle, start end radius. So you have to choose this one, start end radius. This is the start, this is the end, and this one is radius. You have to put it here just like this. Then this is outline. We finished this one. Then you have to trim the parts that are not required. Just to go to trim and trim this part, and this one. Then as you see, we created this portion. Then what you are going to do, just you have to offset this portion. So You have to trim this one. It is not required now. So choose the same thing. You have to choose this part, then go to mirror and choose the center. So as it is shown here, it is created to the other side. Then you can trim this portion. So you have to follow the same procedure to create the other part also. Let us extend this one like this. Then what is a dimension? It has 100 mm width, so that means 50-50 to both sides. So that means offset distance. You have to choose 50, then offset to the other side, offset to the left, to the right, just like this. So now what you are going to do, you have to create a curve that joins three points: the first point, the second point, and the third point. So just to go the same thing here. Here means start and radius. So start and now you have to go to the other side. Start and radius. So you can pull it just down and put it there. Just have to remember just to on all these things required here: object snap, endpoint, midpoint, center, geometrical center, quadrant. All the required parts, what you require, you must on them to get a perfect position or perfect spot. So then after that, trim this. This is not required. You have to trim this one, remove this one, and go for the same procedure. Just offset, choose offset distance. Mirror. You have to go for choose first. You have to choose this portion and go to mirror, then give the center. Then it will be mirrored to the other side. So then after that, trim what not required. Then as it is shown here, this is a final part. Now what you are going to do, just you can give dimensions as it is shown here. You can give these dimensions like this, here and here, just like this. The same thing here also, like this subject. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.